In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by clicking on Color Palette and clicking on any of those available themes. Then manage keyboarders and hit Apply. If you want to customize it, use this plus under My Themes. Click on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done, manage keyboarders and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!